Hey everyone, it's Zach with Toy and Troubles DIY, and I'm so excited because AtmosFX decided to release Bone Chillers 2 one night early just to the members of the AtmosFX decorating community on Facebook. As soon as I heard the news, I rushed to the website, downloaded all the clips, and decided to throw it up in the window just to do a demo and a review. Bone Chillers 2 is a follow-up to the original Bone Chillers, and it's got all new spooky scenes, scary scenes, dancing skeletons, and all new skeleton band scenes. All the scenes come in horizontal and vertical orientation. It's almost 17 minutes worth of content, and it's about 13 different clips. I've got my Optoma GT 1080 projecting onto some white chiffon in the window, and I've got the sound running to the new Soundboks just so you can hear everything. I haven't watched any of the scenes yet, and I'm super excited to see what they came out with, so let's jump into it. I've got everything running to the Micca Speck G2 on a flash drive, so let's check it out. Cool. I really like the new coloring that they did to these. It's a lot more three-dimensional than the original Bone Chillers. A little gravedigger scene. Nice. Cool. I've heard some people say that they didn't like the new coloring based off of the sneak peek clips that were sent out, but I'm a fan. I think it's a lot more three-dimensional. Nice. Very cool. Big organ. awesome. I like that one a lot. Nice. That was pretty cool. It's hard to beat the original Bone Chillers band, or the Skeleton band. They did pretty good. Is this some xylophone? Cool. Pretty cool. Not quite sure how I feel about that one, but it was alright. So if I hadn't have watched that whole thing, I probably would have said that was a little bit of recycling from some previous decorations that they've done, like Monster Bash, but that dance was actually way more intricate and entertaining. Plus it was just more cool to see skeletons do it. That was fun. They put a lot into these dances, so pretty cool. So getting a little bit more spooky. Cool. Yeah, if you weren't a fan of the more colored 3-dimension skeletons that they'd shown previously in the previous clips, that corpsed version is probably more your speed. That one was cool. Nice. That would be a really good segue into any of the Inferno collection from AtmosFX. That was a good startle scare. That'd be a fun one to have connected to a sensor. All in all, I would say I was a fan of Bone Chillers too. I think they definitely added in some new, interesting content. This is probably one that I would download individual scenes of. I don't think I would download the whole collection personally. I think I was the biggest fan of the organ player and then the spooky scenes at the end. I think AtmosFX set the bar really high with Bone Chillers 1 between the skeleton van and the dancing skeletons. I don't really think any of these particular decorations came close to that, but I did still enjoy them. Again, I would recommend going through the entire collection and kind of cherry picking scenes that you want to put into your own display. This isn't one that I would download the whole collection of, but I did still enjoy it. Well, I hope this review was helpful. If you want to see more like this video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified the next time a video is uploaded. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Zach with Toil and Troubles DIY, and until next time, happy haunting.